Blessed family, welcome back to Rock Mix channel. In today's video, my viewers and my subscribers, me have build two project. Me not even I got tell you and what me a build. I want to just look, observe. You understand? And I got really surprised because me surprise myself. Me as a taxi driver, sometimes when people look on me and tell me say me can't do that, it's like they might tell me, say me I go do it. Because recently I go woodwork man, ask him to make something for me, and the man charged me a bag of money if you do it, you know. I'm look upon him and I say, brother, alright, how long it will take for bill? The man tell me weeks. So my project, I done this in a few days. So viewers, subscribers, want to like my video, share my channel, subscribe, turn on notification bell as me drop any video, you gonna see it. Alright, as me tell you now, cannot do this without you guys. Alright, yeah man, so stay tuned, see where we are built, J.A. Shen style. Alright, I tell you though, cutting the board, I never know say as so much dust it a carry, so I have to cover my face with the mask. It is so weird, you know, the mask coming in handy right now. You know, the pandemic is over, but yet still you still have to be careful on the road. Alright, so watch, look, observe, yes, and see what we are building. Alright, continue, watch. So viewers and my subscribers, tell me how you like the work so far. Please, I hope you like the video by now. And if you don't like it, don't leave it out like it. Fill out the little cracks them in the board, prime it out, then me paint it out, and believe me, me even impress myself. Yeah man, me J.A. Shen style, we create a nice little work. Alright, so as I say, a two project with you know. Yes man, so I hope to God you like it. Understand? Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Alright, I still gonna show you the end product. Alright, so keep watching. So viewers, subscribe. If you like me and JHN style do, please leave a like, subscribe, turn on notification bell. Alright? And don't forget, watch the ads. Alright?